Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the puzzles, the Sudokus in the puzzle page of the weekend edition. Weekend edition Saturday, April the 6th, 2024. In this puzzle page, we have 6 extra puzzles, 2 Sudokus with 3 stars, 1 killer Sudoku, 2 binaries, and 1 tectonic. 4 of them I will solve this evening. And in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. I will do those tomorrow afternoon. 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve, not all, otherwise too much for me. And tomorrow evening I will do the samurai Sudoku. So a lot of puzzles for this weekend. And this one I will continue. This one will be number 8315. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one is also an easy one. Has 27 printed digits. It's indicated with 3 stars, but it should be a 1 star, because if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus in additional, should be a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, 27 printed digits. You need to be faster than 50 minutes, but it's indicated with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars or a 1 star puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left of 5 should be there. Alright. Then 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left of 5 should be there. 5, 5. 5. 5. Oh, 5, 5. Alright. Cannot continue with the 5 now. Need to wait. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left on the 3 in this big square. Should be there. 2, 4, 7. Okay. Then 2, 4, 7. 7. How about? Well. 7 in the last column. 7 in the column next. So that column. Only place level 7. Should be there. 7. Need 7 here. Need a 3 here. Okay. Need a 1 here. Let me think. 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left on 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 9, okay. Yeah. 2. Need a 2 here. Well. Come on. 7. Let me think. 5 there. Well, in this column we need a 5. The third column. Here can be 5, we have 5 in this row, no 5 there. Here can be 5, we have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. So the 5 in the third column could be here or there. We see another 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 in the row above, no 5 there. Only place left of 5 should be there. 5, okay. 5. So we have a 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left on the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 1, okay. And 2, 3, 7. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are, in the third column, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2, 3, 7. 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7. And look, we have a 2 and a 7 in this big square, so no 2 and a 7 in this box. 2 and a 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there, so 1 digit left in the third column for number 3. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in the second column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And a 4 goes there. And a 4 here. We have a pair. The 4 and 8 in this column. Third column. 4 and 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 4 and 8, 4 and 8. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6, 1 and the 6. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left now in the first column. 4 numbers, 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6, 1 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. 3, 5, 7. So 7 in this row. Third row. 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left is 7 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We have 3 in the second row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 3, 3. Okay. 2, 2. About the 5, 5, 5. Yeah. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And, the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 5. Okay. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 3. We have 3 in this column, no 3 in these 2 boxes. We have a 3 in the last row, no 3 in that box. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column between the middle column, no, only 3 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 3. We have 1 box left in this row for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2, 2, okay. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 1 in this row. Oh, no. I need to wait. 1, 4. Need a 4 here. 1, 4. 9. Okay. Alright. 9, 1, 6. Well, in the first row, we need a 9. Here can be 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 there. Here can be a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 in the first row should be there. So we have 2 numbers left. There, 1 and a 6. Let me mark those. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. Let me mark those. Okay. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the last column. No 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 4 in the last column. So the column between. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be there. Alright. So 168, 68. In this column, we need a 1. Here can be 1, we have 1 in this big square, no 1 there. Here can be 1, we have 1 in this row, no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 in this column should be there. So 1 box left now in this row for number 6. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 now in the third row, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 4, we have a 4 in the third row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 1 box left in the second row for number 1, the 2 is missing, and the 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here should be also 6 and the 8 are missing here. Okay. Then in this column, last column, we need a 9. Here can be 9, we have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 there. Here can be 9, we have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 in the last column should be there. And I've eliminated here the 6, so the 6 goes there. Alright. So here we have 2 numbers left, the 6 and the 8. Here we have a pair, 6 and the 8. That means 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Need a 9 here. Okay. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, only 3 places left for the number 1 should be here, here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 in that row, no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 1. 2 numbers left now in this row for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Then, let me see. Need a 7 here, and I need a, let me see, 6, 8, and need a 9 here, I need a 9 here. How about, the 9 in the last row, the 9 in the row above, so that row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. The 9 in this column, the 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be here. And, the 9s are used. I can't see. This is for number 9, okay. So 2 numbers left. No, not 2 numbers left. Yeah, 2 numbers left in this row. The 6 and the 8, 6 and the 8. We have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 6. 6 and the 8. We have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 4 and 8, we have 8 now in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well, told you. Need to be faster than 15 minutes. Definitely a 1 star. And we saw it again, and I like this one here, so we'll do things so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also for myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.